Namaste, beloved friends. Welcome back to Beyond Traveling. Today we are going to learn about a tantric meditation. The name of the meditation is Shiva Shakti meditation. Very simple practice, but very effective. So I teach this meditation to many people, and they get so much calmness, so much quietness, so much they feel like connected to themselves. So first we are going to learn what is Shiva, what is Shakti, who is Shiva and who is Shakti. Normally we think that Shiva is somewhere sitting on the Himalayas, in the Kailas, doing his tapas, doing his meditation. And Shakti is also somewhere else. But Shiva or Shakti is not outside, they are inside us, they are inside our body. It is a saying, when God wants to hide from the human beings, he sit inside us. So we don't search him inside. We go outside, we go to temple, we go to the mountains, we go to the anywhere we travel, and we are searching for the outside, but we never bring our awareness attention inside. Shiva and Shakti is always there inside us. Shiva is the pure consciousness, Shiva is the knowledge, and Shakti is the manifestation part. Shakti is the action. Whatever you see in this world, all the material things is out of the Shakti. I am moving my hand, I am talking because of the Shakti, and the knowledge I have, it's because of the Shiva. So we need both the Shiva and Shakti. We need the combination, we need the, it's kind of merging of both. We need Shiva and Shakti. So if you look at our human body, there are different chakras in our subtle body. So our Sahasrara chakra, the seventh chakra, is belong to the Shiva energy, and our Mooladhara, the root chakra, it belong to the Shakti energy. So by using this practice, by using this meditation, actually we are trying to balance, we are trying to rise our Shakti, and the Shakti will reach to our crown center, and from crown center, from the Shiva center, it will spread in our whole body. And by this practice, you will feel really calm, really quiet, you will feel really centered in yourself. Very simple practice. We are going through the three different stages of this practice. Okay, just look at me and how I am doing. So first we are going to bring our hands, palms like this. All fingers are together, they are not open, so they are like this. We bring our palms just near the earth. Then we take our hands up, and from the level of our heart center we are taking up, and from the level of the heart center we bring the hand forward. Then make a rotation like this, and then make this up. From here, bring our hands, cross them, the right palm up, left palm down, and slowly, gently we are moving it down. And this is the one round. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are bringing our Mooladhara center energy, the center of the energy from the earth, we are bringing it up by our hands, and then bring this energy outside in our center, in our aura. So bringing it up, and then bringing this energy forward, then making a ball of this energy. Okay, then lifting this ball up, and pouring this ball of the energy from our crown center, from our Shiva center. So here the Shakti is merging to the Shiva, and then this energy is spreading to our whole body. The Shakti is reaching to our whole each chakras, from our upper chakra, our seventh chakra, to sixth, fifth, fourth, third, and second, and then towards the leg. Okay, so this practice, in the first round, in the first in the first step, you have to do with the breathing. Like you have to inhale then exhale, then hold, then again inhale, then exhale, complete down. Okay, so with the breathing, with awareness of the breathing and with the awareness of your hand movement. So how? Just look at me once. Inhaling up, exhaling forward, holding, inhale up and exhale, pouring this energy through our all centers, spreading on our legs. Okay, so this is the simple practice. We are just moving with the feelings also. Most important also there in the practice, you have to feel. You feel that you are lifting the energy from our Mooladhara center, from the earth, lifting the energy, and from our heart center, we are spreading this energy outside and making the ball of the energy, then lifting the energy up and pouring it from our crown center, from our Shiva center to our each centers. So when you do this practice, you have to do slow with the breathing, synchronize with the breathing and the hand movement in the first stage. In the second stage, we are not focusing on the breathing, we are focusing on more on the energy, more on the subtle vibration of the energy. So in this second stage, we are continuing doing the same, but now we have to do very slow, very gentle practice. You are feeling the each movement of the energy. You feel the vibration. When you do this practice, you really feel the vibration. Just bring the energy very slow as possible you can do. The more slow you do, the more you will get the effectiveness of this technique. So I am doing little fast, so you do more slow than me. Okay, so this is the second stage. First stage we are doing with the breathing. Second stage we are not doing with the breathing. We are doing very subtle, very softly, very gently, but with the feeling that you are lifting the energy, taking to our heart center and spreading it out, and then making it ball and taking from our head, from our top of the head to our all the centers and spreading it out. Okay, so this is the method. And then the final stage, you can sit silently just for 5 to 10 minutes and just feel what the technique you have done. Just feel the spreading of the energy. After this 10-15 minutes of practice, you will feel really center, really calm, really quiet. You will feel the subtle vibration of the energy. So this is very simple technique and you will feel very powerful after this technique. Try it. The first stage you can try 10 minutes with, you can play some soft music in the backgrounds, then you will feel more center, more calm. And second stage also 10 minutes. Then after the second stage you can do 10 minutes just sitting quietly, not doing anything. So 30 minutes you can complete this whole session. So you practice in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, whatever you have, whenever you feel free time, just at least one time a day you practice this beautiful technique. And after this technique you will really feel very happy, very joyous, very like blissful. It's just some hand movement and you'll feel the energy. So we are merging the Shakti with the Shiva, with the super consciousness. So this is the whole method of this technique. This is come from the tantric traditional, from the Tibet. Very effective and very powerful technique. So try it. Must one time you will try and see the benefit of this technique. I will not tell you many things. You will tell me the how you feel after this technique. Just one time, try with full heart, not like half-heartedly. Try with full surrendering. Try with full peacefulness. Try with just 30 minutes you take from your busy life schedule and just focus in this technique, and you will get so many amazing benefit out of this simple technique. So hope you understand all the stage, all the steps with the breathing And if you have any doubts, any queries, any things you want to ask, you can always email me, you can send me. I am always ready to guide you, to give you some whatever you want. And let's see. Yeah. So thank you, be happy and enjoy. Spread the love, spread the happiness in this universe.